getting the product. So what these two numbers we are calling? Factors. Factors of what? This product, right? And if you will confuse about the multiple, so what we will saying, when we are multiplying the two numbers and the product we are calling the multiple, right? So we can say when two numbers are multiplying, then the product we call multiple, right? So this product, now in this case, the two numbers that we are multiplying, that we call factors, right? The numbers when the two or more numbers multiplied, the answer is called the product, and the numbers which we are multiplying, that are called the factors of the product. So here 7 and 3 are the factor of 21. So factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. So if you are talking about the 21, so 7 and 3 are the factors of 21. So the condition is saying that the factor can be equal or less than only from the number. So like 21 is a number, so its factor are here where 7 and 3, they are less than that, so the factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. Now come here, I will explain you more that finding factor using the multiplication mean by the multiplication method. So find the factors of 16 with multiply we will find, because for this you should learn the tables, everyone, right? Because tables are very much important to finding the multiples, factors and so many things, right? So please learn the tables. So firstly, 1 multiplied by 16, what will come? 16. 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, right? No other number is there in which 16 is coming. So whatever the numbers are here, like 1, 16, 2, 8, 4 and 4, these all are the factors of 16. So how we are writing here? Factors of 16 are, start from the smaller number like 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, right? Here 4 is coming 2 times, but 4 is 4 only. We no need to write the 4 2 times. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Now here I am explaining you division method. Find the factors of 24 with the help of the division. Division you know. So when you will do with the multiplication method or the division method, factors will come same. So always, like in the multiple, we are starting multiply with 1. So here also, to finding the factor, we are always starting from 1. So 1 dividing 24. So 1 2s are 2, then 4 1 4s are 4. So what the answer is coming? 24. One more thing, if when you are dividing with a number and the remainder is coming 0, then we can say only the number by which we are dividing, that is the factor of the given number. So here 1 is the factor of 24. Now divide with 2, 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. So what is the factor here? 2, right? 2 is the factor. Here one more thing I want to tell you, this the number by which we are dividing and the quotient is coming, both are the factors of 24, like 1 and 24 is the factor. Now here 2 and 12 both are the factors of 24. Now 3 8s are 24. You can see here we are moving with the sequence wise, 1 2 3 and 4 we are taking. So 3 8s are 24, right? So factors here 3 and 8. 4 6 are 24. 4 and 6 also the factor. Now one example I am taking for you here, 5 4s are 20 and 4 remainder. Here you can see when we are dividing with 5, we are having the remainder, right? It means 5 is not the factor of 24, because it cannot divide it exactly. So factors are here 1 2, like quotient we are dividing, this one we are taking by which we are dividing 1 2 3 4, all are the factors. Now the quotient also the factors 6 8 12 24, right? And the number was 24, so 24 1s are 24, so 24 is also a factor, right, of 24, because 24 can divide itself, right? So the number also by itself a factor. Here I am writing 5 is not the factor of 24, because 24 divided by 5 leaves a remainder. Now this is the question number first A of exercise 5.3. Look here. The numbers in the column A and C are the factors of number. Column A is this one and column is C this one. So they are saying these two numbers of these column are the factors. Of what? Factors of the column B. Means when we are multiplying the number from A and the number from C, what we are getting? The B. because B is the product of that. So we have to find and then we have to color all the circle in the same. Right, now you can see 2 here. So what we will multiply into, that any number we will get, right? So you can see in this, again and again I'm telling you, table you should learn. So you can see 2 multiply by 19, what will come? 38. I have done here also 2 multiply by 19, 38. That's why I have done here green color. Right, now 3. 3, what we will multiply in 3, what the 39 will come? So 13. 3 multiply by 13 is 39. So look here, 3 multiply 39 is equal to 39. Right, then 5. 5, which number can go? 85. Yes, 5 multiply 17, what will come? 85. Then 11 multiply by 7, then 78. Right, you can see here this method by using color or making the curves, this called that rainbow method also. Right everyone, that we will do next also. Right, so this question you have to do in the book only. Now this is the B question of exercise 5.3, that find factors using multiplication. Right, we have to do the multiply only and then we have to write the factors. So first is the 16. So always take 1 and the given number only. So 1 multiply 16 is equal to 16, because 1 is the factor of 16 and 16 also itself 16, because both number can divide 16. Now 2 8s are 16, so 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Then in 4 table 16 is coming, so 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Right, now this is also easy. 21, here you have to write that also, factors of 16 is equal to 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now 21, you know 21, the factors 1 and 25 itself, so 1 multiply 21 is equal to 21. Then 21 is coming 3 table, so 3 sevens are 21. Right, so whatever the numbers are here, when we are multiplying, all are the factors of 21. So 1 3 7 and 21. Right, so like this you have to do. One more I will tell you from this one, 36 one. This also easy. 35 you can do. So 36, 1 and 36. Always take the first step, this one only. Start with multiplication 1. 136 is equal to 100 multiplied by 30 is equal to 36. 2, when we will multiply in 18, 18 twos are you can say. So to multiply 18 is equal to 36. Then 12 3s are 36. Take here 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to 36. Then 4 9s are 36. Right. So these numbers all are the factors by which we are doing multiplication. So 1 2 3 4 and then 9 12 18 36. You can see here these all are the factors of 36. Right. Now come on question number C. Here we have to do that find the factors using division method. We have to do the divide only. So always start with 1. So 1 18s are 18 only. So 1 and 18 both are the factors. Now come on 2. 2 9s are 18. So remainder is coming 0. So means 2 and 9 both are the factors of 18. Then 3 6 are 18. It means 3 and 6 both are the factors of 18. So factors of 18 means 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Means this dividend also and the quotient both are the factors of the given number. Right. Now here take 125. So always take from 1 into 25, what will come? 25. 1 25 is a 25. Right. So 1 and 25 factor of 25. Now 5 5s are 25. So both 5s are factors. So no need to write in 2 times, only we will take the 1 time. So 1 5 and 25 are the factors of 25. Right. Here 42 is there. So always take from 1. So 1 into 42, what will come? 42. So 1 42 is a 42. So 1 and 42 are the factors here. So now 2 2s are 4. Then 2 write down, 2 1s are 2. So remainder is 0. So 2 and 21 both are the factors of 42. Now 3 1s are 3. Minus here 4 minus 3 1. Then 2 3 4s are 12. Here also remainder is 0. Right. So 3 and 14 both are the factors of 42. Here I am writing firstly the dividend, right? 1 2 and 3. Right. And now the quotient also 14 21 42 are the factors of the 42. Right everyone, like this you have to do question number B and C. After that, now come on the question number D. Question number this 5th part and 6th part also you can do by your own. You just see the by which number we can divide it. Now question number D. Check if the first number is a factor of the second number. Right. And tick if yes or cross if not. How we will check that the first number is the factor of that? By the division only. If with the first number we can divide the second number and the remainder is coming 0, then only we can say the first number is the factor of the second. So here 5 1s are 5, 8 minus 5 3, then 0, then 5 6 are 30. So it means remainder is 0. Yes, so 5 is the factor of 80, so it means tick. Now second one, 8 and 140. So 8 ones are 8, 14 minus 8 0, and then 0 here, 60. 8 sevens are 56. We will subtract 4. So here you can see that remainder we are having here, right? 4. So it means it cannot divide exactly. 140 is not coming in 8 table, or it cannot divide it, right? So it means what will come here? Cross. Why? Because 8 is not the factor of 140. Now take the third part also, 10 and 150. 10 is the factor of 150 or not? Just check by the division method. Like 10 ones are 10, 15 minus 10 5, then 0. 10 fives are 50. So it means remainder is here 0. Yes, then 10 can divide 150. It means 10 is the factor of 150. So make here tick. So this the fourth part also you can do like this. Check with the division, then do. Now come on the question number 3. E. Complete the following factor rainbows to find the factors of the numbers given in this, right? This is like they made the cloud, and this we are showing the rainbow, right? So how we have to do? Like firstly make the factors here, right? Like 1 and 1 multiply 12, 12. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 4, 12. All factors came here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, right? So what we will do, like 1 and 12. So 1 we will write in this one, and 1 we are multiplying with 12. So in this line row only, right, on this curve only we will write here 12. We cannot write here 1 and 12. By the number by which we are multiplying, like 1 and 12 we are multiplying, so 1 will write where? On this only, on this curve only we will write 12 here. Now 2 6 are 12. So 2 I am taking on second one curve, and 6 will come on this one curve only, end of this curve here 6. It means 2 6 are this one 12. Now 3 4s are 12. Now the last one curve, 3 here and here 4. Right everyone? Like this you have to fill the numbers here. Like 1 into 12, 12. Then 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 4, 12. So all factors came here. Like this you have to do. Right everyone? Now look at the second part also. Here you can see 4 curves are given. So firstly make the factors here. 1 into 30. Always take 1 from the starting. 1 into 30, 30. Then second 2 into 15, 30. Then 3 tens are 30. Then 5 6 are 30. I am saying again and again, please learn the table. Right? If you will learn the table, then these questions are very easy for you. So on the first one curve, we are writing 1 here. 1 multiply 30. So the end of this curve, 30. Now on the second, 2 into 15. So 2 here, and the end of this curve, 15. 2 into 15, 30. Then 3 into 10, 30. So on third, 3 here. On this curve end, 10. 3 times 30. Next is 5 6 are 30. So 5 in this side, right, starting of this curve, and end of this curve is 6. 5 6 are 30. So like this also you have to do the next part also, third one, right everyone? And same way you have to do in the notebook also. Fine. And please do the practice of the same of the factors and complete your work. Thank you.